That's what I have devised. Okay, you can do whatever. You just read out that loudly.
I am progressing in my profession in a positive and progressive climate and giving my best service to my customers, and in turn I expect a win-win situation.
What is it? Have I brought profit there? Profit on the word tandidna nanu illala. But what is win-win situation? What is win-win situation?
ಸರ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ನೀವು ಗೆಲ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಗೆದ್ದಿರ್ತೀರ, ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
No.
Both the sides satisfaction.
If you want to buy my book, I have written my book. Of course, it's a lot of hard work, but there's a price for it, 120 rupees. But here we may give 100. Whatever it is, you're giving the money to me. I am giving the book to you. Okay? But ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, there is a profit in it. Definitely there is a profit in it. ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ there is printing ಇಂದ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತದಲ್ಲ, so definitely there are margins which are at. So when you give a service to somebody, he will give you money, correct? When I build a house of yours, you will give money, no? But you don't feel bad because ನಿಮ್ಮ time ಉಳಿದಿರುತ್ತೆ. Because you are going to college, your time is saved. I am taking care of your work in your absence, in a quality. I am giving the best quality job. You are paying me 1.5 lakh per square, or 1.5, 7.75. You are giving me, with all respect. I am making some 20% profit. You also know it. Okay. So what it is called as a win-win situation. You got it? You go to college and teach yoga, they pay you salary. Okay? That is what
Win-win.
means. Oh, read out the first chapter. What life?
I am progressing in my profession in a positive and progressive climate.
Progressive and positive climate ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಪ್ರಗತಿಪರ ಮತ್ತು ಸಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕವಾದ ಒಂದು ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶ ನನ್ನ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಸಕಾರಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. You got it? The thing is, when you build negative points into it, no. ಕೆಲವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ non-violence. The word non-violence itself is wrong. I want the world to be peaceful. Let us talk about peace. Non-violence. No, non-violence is the greatest value I stand for. Anti-corruption. The problem there only anti bracket ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು corruption ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. See, the anti will never work. Okay, don't take a reactive stand. Take a progressive stand. I want to see a transparent and responsible and accountable governance from political parties. You got it? How is that? I don't want corruption. I don't want people to cheat. See, this is the way you write. No. We are going to be transparent, accountable, and progressive. How is it? The same way, if you write in your life, I want to be peaceful in my life, I want to be happy in my life, I want to be comfortable, I want to be useful. You got it? How I want to be useful? When you will be useful? When your hands are full? Nitya, when you can give money? When your hands are empty or full?
When you have got surplus.
When your hands will be full? There must be a limit. You can't put sky is the limit. 1,000 crores I want. 1,000 crores ಬಂದಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 1,000 crores ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ.
That's why I use contentment.
Contentment. So there is a limit. Okay. I want 10 crores. Let us say I want 10 crores. After 10 crores, under 10 crores, 10 crores ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ. A part of it I can give it away. Okay. Just like that. 1 crore I can just give it away to various organizations which I really want to give. I've already given. That is so. When your hands are full, you can give. You got it? So, how the good people, ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ institutions survive ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು donations ಗಳಿಂದ ತಾನೆ. Correct? Yes. Who is donating it? The people, one who is donating is actively doing social service? No. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಒಟ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ. Indirectly. He is happy that this person is doing a good work, I am given money. You got it? Yeah. So, you have to decide whether you want to have an NGO, whether you want to have a paid job. In paid job for 35 years, if you work, how much of money you will have it, you have to decide. If you start on your own, how much you will do it. If I invest, what is the risk factor? Last time ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, the risk is directly proportional to reward. In our case, sunrise business ಅಂತಾರೆ, ರಿಟೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, 3 ತಿಂಗಳಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅವನು ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಅವನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ. So many things they learn from you, they will open a company next time. What will happen to your projections of profits? Where is the ethical? Nothing. So this is the climate itself is dangerous. So you have to have, one thing is you have to write your visions. I want to be happy in my life. That's all. Money ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. I want 1 crore. 1 crore if I have 1 crore only, I'll be happy. No, that is not. I want to be happy in my life. I want to be useful to others. I want to see the world is more peaceful. You know, when I was born, it was something. I want to see better than that. That should be your aim. No. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಗಿವ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ 10 crores. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಗೋಲ್. ವಿಷನ್ನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿಷನ್ನೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ 1 ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಪಿರಮಿಡ್ ಅಂತ ಪತ್ರಿಜಿ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. 20 crores ಅಂತ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ ಮೋಹನ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ 20 crores. ಬಟ್ 20 crore ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಆಗಿದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ he come with 10 crores each? No, he didn't come. But he had a vision that he will build one day a pyramid. He built it. How he maintained? And the people are maintaining it. So don't bring logic. Like that, how many pyramids are coming up? So many pyramids are coming up. There is a model, Zen pyramid, you tegiri. So don't put logic every minute of your life. If you go and ask an investor, I think I'm sure Anthony will knows, if you have 25 lakhs, definitely bank will give another 75 lakhs. Ask him. You need to have only 25 lakhs. You don't have to have 1 crore. So you can build up a business 100 crores even with that 25 lakhs. But the problem with your mind, you are doing a business of 50 crores with 25 lakhs. Only thing is the ideas. The problem is we have that. So somewhere you have to go to a higher level, like that. I want to have 1,000 employees in my organization. What are you doing? Are you taking all the money home? No, you are helping 100,000 families. You are also doing social service. So if you want to do 1,000 families, ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ. 1,000 family, just imagine what you will have to do. So definitely ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಸತ್ಯಮೇವ ಜಯತೆ. ಬೇರೆಯವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜೆಂಡಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚರ್ಕಾ ತಿರುಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. The ordinary charka did it, all the magic. Everybody connected with charka. That's all. No email, no SMS, that time. ಭಾವನೆಗಳೇ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಅಹಿಂಸೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್, ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟುಡೇ? ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. That is why there is no other Gandhi except that Gandhi. There is only one Mahatma Gandhi. So give a big hand to him. Okay.
Nelson Mandela.
Yeah, so they all work from their circle of influence. Circle of influence. They never worried about all the great things. They were. Can I reach out to a poor man? Next person. Can I reach out? Can I reach out? Not my street, my city, my village, my country, like that. But if you try to think one country at a time, no, nothing will happen. So be careful. You have to write your mission statement like positive ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, progressive ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು.